When you launch Stitch Belle for the first time, you'll see a view like this. Stitch Belle is a document-based app, which simply means that Stitch Belle projects are just documents or files that exist on your file system. The bottom half of this view is where you would see your documents. Once you start creating Stitch Belle projects, they would appear here. I want to point out several things. One is when you first launch Stitch Belle, it will automatically create a folder for you, a Stitch Belle folder on your iPad device. And that's where it will put projects by default. But you have complete control over where projects go. You can put them in different folders on your iPad. You can put them in shared folders as a way to collaborate with other designers. And of course, you can create your own folders and organize your projects however you like. Just real quick, for example, you can create a new folder and let's say this is where you wanted to keep your Christmas designs. You could create that folder, call it Christmas, open it up, and then when you create a new project, it will be inside your Christmas folder. Of course, if you want to, you can always move projects into folders after they've been created. So you have a lot of flexibility in how you can organize your projects. The second thing I want to point out real quick is you do have access to the user guide from this view. And so if you need to quickly reference some feature or understand how something works, you can do it this way. You can also download the user guide as a PDF and save it to file. So that way you can refer to the user's guide without obscuring the Stitch Belle application. And of course, finally, this view is where you initiate the creation of a new project. I'll go into that in a different video, but I just wanted to let you know when you first launch Stitch Belle, it gives you a pretty clean, simple interface from which to work.